How to delete Instagram messages from both sides. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can delete Instagram messages from both sides. Now it's quite simple and quite easy. All you have to do is open up Instagram app here and head into your chat by tapping on the chat or the message icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you open up any chat that you see on here, I'll just open up this quick chat here. You can see I've sent two different images here. Now it's the same to delete media as well as messages. So what you want to do is on the chat that you want to delete from both sides, simply tap and hold here and you'll find the option to unsend. Simply tap on unsend and you can see message unsent. You can read there, unsent messages are removed from the conversation, but they may still be included if the conversation is reported. If a conversation is reported, it'll remain there. However, if it's not, then it will be removed from both of your chats. All you have to do is unsend the chat. Similarly to other chats as well, what you can do is simply tap and hold and you'll find unsend option at the bottom. Simply tap on unsend and it will be unsent. So this way you can delete Instagram messages from both sides. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.